all, this is Frank from BPX in Wakefield. Today in this video I want to show you this website, which is quite useful and it's made to test how secure your devices are, your network is. Basically it's made to test these things, and all what you need to do is just put a word or PAR number or something to see how many devices in the world of internet are connected and they are insecure. So basically you can access them remotely somehow. So I'm just going to put a name. It could be any, I don't know, Siemens for example, and let's see how many devices in the world I can spot connected to the internet. There's 11,441 devices, and this is open. This is open to the public. Anyone can access this information. So obviously there will be some non-critical process, I hope, that these people is running, because as you can see, it's quite, that one is SL certified, so you've got encrypted connection, that's fine. But it's amazing how many, 11,000 devices unprotected. Amazing. Let's try another one. 6,713. Let's put now remote access solutions that we all know. Amazing. 3,174. It's just crazy how people let their installations to be that insecure. I don't know. So there's another one out there. That's not too bad. Not too bad. And the one remote access solution that BPX likes to have on the shelf is this one, Secomea. And at the moment there's only one showing, and it's SSL certified. Okay, so it's encrypted, it's closed, you cannot access that, but it's still one showing, which is no good. So that's just proof how secure your products are and how your devices are configured. The different approach, there's thousands of devices everywhere. Why is this like this? It's because manufacturers have different approach to cybersecurity. So where most manufacturers will allow the customers to bring the security app or build the walls app on their devices according to their applications, people like Secomea, it's the other way around, has everything app and it's up to the end user to bring them down. So it's different approaches, different things, and that's why I like Secomea a lot. It's the one that I recommend.